What have we got a green light?
Timed that nicely.
So
So,
hopefully we'll get a reception shortly, and it should give us the.
yeah.
We're basically just heading to Perth, and then Scoot Palace is round there or something.
Aye, it's at the back of Perth. So that was the man in the mirror. Do you think his name is Michael?
Michael the Mirror Man.
Aye. Mike the Mirror Man. You wanted to take one of the ducks home with you.
I hope I could eat it.
That's not nice.
You look at him as QB furry things, I look at him as Peking duck meat.
The temperature's creeped up. We're at 21.
Aye, 21 degrees now, aye. We should be heading to warmer weather, but it definitely said Fife was warmer and sunnier in the afternoon, so.
Well, it is because it just went up to 22 degrees.
See, I check all this. My fucking paths are just random.
Mine are.
And your routes are not random. So, what do to keep us in the nice weather?
Yeah.
Let's get down out of the week, get during the week.
Aye.
Just the weekends all the time.
Yeah.
Like look down there, if we went in there, that would have been heaving. If we went and stopped at the Mirror Man, that would have been heaving.
Nice wee place this as well, eh?
Yes, I'm looking at it. So that says to you, it's typical Scottish. Used to be all these old houses, those built on the fucking road when it was just a horse and cart.
Aye.
Now the thunder and lorries going past their house, you know what I mean?
I know. Must be annoying though, eh?
It's fucking stop dead around the corner.
Look at that old garage. Bloomin'
Yeah,
hell.
let's see the MGB GT
Aye.
sitting there.
Morris Minor as well.
Look at that old church. Fucking hell.
Nice, eh?
Amazing these wee fucking villages have these massive, expensive churches built, eh?
Aye, and they're all spotless as well.
Aye.
There's no graffiti, there's no litter. It's just nice. I'm going to open the window of my hat so I can get some air in.
Just done exactly the same thing. Look, that's 1, 2, 3 churches in spit distance to each other. You know what I mean?
That's nice.
Can't make ship shoot British. Oh. I could keep going there, but I had to stop.
Hello.
Family butcher.
That's a rare thing now, isn't it?
Do you know, I was thinking stop there to get a couple of steaks because it is a rare fucking thing.
Mm-hmm.
What's the name of this place? Comley.
Comley.
I've fucking heard it.
Hello.
Aye, Comley.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking hell, man. Lovely place, but it's just stop, 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 start, stop, stop.
It's all roadworks, eh? John, have I told you how much I love this bike?
Maybe mentioned it once or twice.
Aye. I love it.
I can tell. Rolling hills rather than mountainous.
In-country views.
Yes.
I think I've got a beastie in my helmet.
As long as it's close, stinging it Disney, man.
Oh, but it's just walking about trying to go up my nostrils.
It's playing around my birthday. Fucking.
Aye, you're right.
I'm thinking news.
Aye, especially if it goes into the attic. That's completely empty. Hello. So where's this Creef?
Aye, we're in there now. Come on, this is a fucking ferry.
I know, we're doing like 15 mile an hour. Anybody in front of that van?
Don't think so. Can't see.
Aye, there is.
Some stupid cunt. Because I was trying to say, because he was for so long, so I don't know why you're sounding something, does it?
It's probably an old biddy, eh?
Or a tourist. Aye, it looks like a hire car.
Tell you, they hired cars, they certainly get battered about. Like, you should see the state of them parked up at the Enterprise just round the corner for the work, eh? When they're handing them back. Like, bloody hell, man, that's a brand new car and it's all dented. Don't suppose it would bother the hire companies either, because they just rip their excess off them, eh?
Yeah.
And it's like silly amounts, like, aye, this is a nice road, eh? Yeah, and the scenery just opens out. Check all the hills, eh?
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it?
That's 83.5 miles we've covered so far.
Hey, what do you think, eh?
Nah.
It's an easy 83.5 miles, mate.
Oh, aye. It's just been relaxed.
Aye, we stopped about 3 times or something.
Aye. I'll find a cafe next and get a spot of lunch, eh?
Or even a McDonald's or something.
Aye, McDonald's will be fine, like.
You can, I mean.
Aye, these bikes, eh, they're just so good in fuel, eh?
Stick to it,
Aye.
it's not like, you know that the road is a splitter. The side is
Touring bikes, really.
aye, let's put it from next to the boat.
I wouldn't really say this is an off-road one, like. Although
Yeah, I think if you
guys
do-
have done it, like.
I was going to say, I've seen the guys get on pretty rough fucking paths and that. They say it's good for like tracks, like say if you go up like, you know, you get the farms track with
Aye.
2 lanes, like I say, but they'll go with that. It's just the mud terrain and all that, I don't know, is good. It's obviously I don't know where the fucking tyres are, but it's just.
Aye, Nobles, aye. Nobles. Look, I'm not interested in taking them off-road anyway.
Don't for that shit. That really knocks the shit out of your legs.
Oh, aye. Too old for that. Aye, the quick shifters are good, eh?
Oh, aye. Very smooth.
Yep.
I think I wouldn't use a quick shifter first the same because I think it clanks in.
No, I only use it like 3, 4, 5, 6, eh?
Me too, I would say. Even when I'm going down like first gear on, it's just.
Aye. Oh, phone disconnected. You still there, John?
Yeah. That's just your phone that's disconnected for your
Aye.
helmet. I'll reconnect it. It does that sometimes. Please does that sometimes.
That's the first time I've ever had that.
I think I've got that once.
Phone connected again.
That's what I'm saying. It just does it.
Weird, eh?
Reconnects. 21 degrees, I'm showing. Hell.
I'm going to check the battery status on my Cardo because the battery's not lasting now, eh? Hey Cardo, battery status. That's if it tells me. Hey Cardo, battery status. Maybe try talking in American. Hey Cardo, battery status. It's not talking to me. Hi. Hey Cardo, battery status.
Battery status, 75%.
75%.
Well,
I think sometimes you've just got to be firm with Cardo. It's got to be firmware. Maybe she likes it when you're firm. But then again, we do have a Scottish accent, so people do struggle to understand us.
say that again.
People do struggle to understand us. See, I don't have a problem on picking up and understanding accents.
neither do I. I can understand it, just about everybody.
I'm the
I
same.
don't think I've ever had anybody where I went, what?
Yeah. I'm exactly the same. 2,911 miles. This is going to hopefully trip onto 3,000 miles today. That's pretty good going. What, in what? Nearly 4 months? When did I get it? Start of April, so April, May, June, July. 4 months.
Phone disconnected.
My phone's disconnected again. I don't know why it's doing that. It's never done that before.
Mine's done it one day on a run and then never done it again.
Aye. Well, I have got the phone in the top box.
Maybe that's what it is then, mate.
Maybe the metal,
Right, I'm just going to...
Hiya.
Phone connected.
97.4 miles. 70.3.
Fuck it. Well, there's one done. Keld Road, 0.2 miles.
I told you. You turn the corner and it'll be there.
Your roots. Go now. That literally is. We go down here and turn left.
I told you.
Right, so where did this guy go? Is it this sharp left to go? No, I think it's past this. But we can't go down there. So. Right, so we're turning left here. There it is.
I told you. I said exactly that, didn't I? You'll stop and punch your sat nav in and it'll be round the corner. Your TikTok's on.
I know, it's a better one to go right.
Aye, well, your left TikTok, you dafty.
Alright.
There's a car just came out. Oh, that's grill orders as well. Oh no, there's a space here, John. What are you looking at?
Go.
You fatty.
One. Good move.
Eee. I'll leave a space for you.
Be careful. He's telling me to go the other way. I was like, get fucked. Well, watch your... I'm moving a bit.
You'll get out. Plenty of room. Plenty of room for you, darling. No, you're fine. There's plenty of room. I'm just like a car, but a wee bit weird.
In every sense of the word.
Hey, didn't be cheeky, you. I've got a big banger, I'll have you know. Right, Johnny, back you come.
That's alright, leave it.